Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Conversation. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Jame. Today we're going to practice English conversations about daily routines.
Talking about your daily routine is a great way to share information about yourself.
Yes, and it's useful for many situations, like meeting new people or answering questions at work.
Let's get started. Part 1. Describing your daily routine. Hi, Jame. I want to practice talking about my daily routine. Can you help me?
Of course, Lisa. Let's start. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m. Then I like to drink a cup of coffee to wake up fully.
That sounds nice. What do you do after that?
After coffee, I take a quick shower and get dressed for work. Then I have breakfast, usually cereal or toast with fruit.
Sounds like a good morning routine. How do you get to work?
I take the bus. It takes about 30 minutes. What about you?
I usually ride my bike if the weather is good, but sometimes I drive.
Nice. What do you do when you get to work?
I check my emails first, then start working on my tasks. I usually have meetings in the afternoon.
Do you have a lunch break?
Yes, I take lunch around noon. Sometimes I eat with colleagues.
What about after work?
I often go to the gym or go for a run. Then I cook dinner and relax by watching TV or reading.
That's a full day. How about weekends?
On weekends, I like to sleep in a little and spend time with family and friends.
Thanks, Jame. I feel ready to talk about my routine now.
Great. Keep practicing and it'll become easier.
Useful phrases to describe your daily routine. I usually wake up at. After I wake up, I take a shower and get dressed. I have breakfast, usually. I go to work by. At work, I take a lunch break at. After work, on weekends, I like to. Part 2. Asking about someone's routine. Jame, when I meet someone new, how can I ask about their daily routine in a natural way?
Great question, Lisa. You can say, "What do you usually do during the day?" Or, "Can you tell me about your daily routine?"
Those sound easy to remember. How can I ask about their work schedule?
You can ask, "What time do you start work?" Or, "How long is your work day?"
And if I want to ask about weekends or free time,
You can say, "What do you like to do on weekends?" Or, "How do you usually spend your free time?"
good. What if I want to ask politely if they have a busy schedule?
You might say, "Are you usually busy during the day?" Or, "Do you have a lot of work to do?"
Let's practice a conversation where I ask you about your routine.
Sure, go ahead.
Jame, can you tell me about your daily routine?
I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. I like to exercise before work.
That's great. What kind of exercise do you do?
I go for a jog or do some stretching. What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m. How long is your workday?
Usually about 8 hours, sometimes longer if I have meetings.
Do you have time for lunch?
Yes, I take lunch around noon. Sometimes I eat with coworkers.
What do you like to do after work?
I often go to the gym or relax at home by watching TV.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I like to sleep in, spend time with family, and sometimes go hiking.
Useful phrases to ask about routines. What do you usually do during the day? Can you tell me about your daily routine? What time do you start work? How long is your workday? What do you like to do on weekends? How do you usually spend your free time? Are you usually busy during the day? Part 3. Talking about changes in routine. Jame, sometimes my daily routine changes. How can I talk about that in English?
That's a good topic, Lisa. You can say, "Lately I've been waking up earlier," or "Recently my schedule has changed."
What if I want to say I'm trying to improve my routine?
You can say, "I want to have a healthier routine," or "I'm trying to be more organized."
How do I talk about something new I started doing every day?
You can say, "I started going to the gym recently," or I began reading books before bed.
What if I want to say I stopped doing something?
You can say, I stopped eating fast food, or I don't watch TV as much as before.
How do I ask someone if their routine has changed?
You can say, has your routine changed recently? Or are you doing anything new these days?
Can we practice a conversation about this?
Sure.
Jame, has your daily routine changed recently?
Yes, it has. I've started waking up earlier to exercise.
That's great. I'm trying to be more organized with my work schedule.
Good idea. I also started cooking more meals at home instead of eating out.
I stopped drinking so much coffee. I want to sleep better.
That's smart. Have you picked up any new hobbies recently?
Yes, I started learning how to play the guitar.
Awesome. I've been reading more books before bed.
Useful phrases to talk about changes in routine. Lately, recently, my schedule has changed. I started doing, I began, I stopped, I'm trying to. Has your routine changed recently? Are you doing anything new these days? That's the end of episode 7 of Daily English Conversation.
We hope this episode helps you talk about your daily routine.
Try practicing talking about your day with friends or family.
See you next time for more everyday English conversations.
Thanks for listening.